Can we please have Mr. Riju Nath, Sales Manager, ViewSonic?
Sonic Education India, and currently we are operating at hundreds countries all over the world. So what we are offering, let's start with a small video that currently we will be playing. Okay, so I hope everyone knows the name of ViewSonic. Am I right? Yes. So ViewSonic is the manufacturer of the interactive flat panels and the monitors for all over the world. And ViewSonic is currently holding the market share of 40% registered in India right now. So if in every 100 panels the schools are using, 40 panels is ours. Why we are here? Because our tagline is see the difference. What is the difference? The difference is about the quality and the touch response and all the other features that is associated with this panel. We can now going forward. Okay, so as I have mentioned, we are operating in the 100 countries over the world. We have the headquarters in the USA, and we are in the Make in India campaign, and we have installed our manufacturing facility in the Gujarat state as well. So we are complying with all the Make in India aspect as well. What is our vision? Inspire the world to see the difference between ordinary and the extraordinary. What does it mean? We have a screen size from 5 inches to 728 inches. Because we are the manufacturer and we have this kind of potential, we have that kind of quality in the LED and LCD system so that your content looks good in front of the students. So let's talk about our journey. We have started in 1987. It's more than 35 years back. And in 2020, after the corona happened, we have created a masterpiece called MyViewBoard. It's a whiteboard annotation software that is currently used by many of the schools and the coaching centers and the teachers to create their own content for the schools, own content for the students as well. And currently in 2023, we have launched a software called ClassSwift. That's an AI-driven exam platform that can be implemented in your computer lab so that your students can feel like a KBC examination with your subjects and your question papers. So what is our approach? We have an ecosystem. We have the display, we have the modules, we have the softwares. That makes a whole ecosystem that makes our product more viable for the schools. So what we have? We have hardware, software, services and integrations. So in the hardware, we have our displays and most of the schools currently use it. In the software segment, we have the AI annotation software, we have our own ERP module, we have our own library for the content creation. We are not giving you pre-built contents because teachers are the most efficient one who can build the content. We can just give you an animation, we can just give you an exam tool, we can just give you an exam paper or question bank. But a content that can be made up of, that's the digital library. A specific hard diagram, a specific animated maps, all these are the digital library provided in our IFPs. After that, we have provided the services. Services means that's not the services for the IFP repairs. These are for the teachers. We train your teachers to use all this kind of digital platforms so that your teachers will get hands-on training according to this system and they will get a better aspect of using it. So what we build? Future classrooms, meeting rooms, we build the auditoriums and the personal workspaces as well. What programs we have? We have pen displays, we have monitors, we have interactive displays, projectors, and we have all-in-one LED displays that starts from 138 inches. You can see at large venues like this kind of screens, we have LED. What kind of softwares we have? We have the whiteboard software called ByView Board. We have the software called Display Manager. How your interactive boards are used in your classroom. Teachers, they are using it or they are not using it. You will get the details. You want to float a notice in your classroom. You will have that management software. We have our own casting software called AirSync. We have our own exam tool called ClassSwift, and we have our own AI for CBSE and ICSE content called Chip AI or ViewLessons AI. What this AI will do? This AI will take all the data from the school syllabus and according to the class, according to the section, it will generate a question answer. Because when a student is using ChatGPT or something, the response is generative and they will provide all the details. But in a specific AI where the students will select their class and after that the AI will give them a specific solution according to their class and the section. And we have our own ERP called EdSync. Any module you want, we have our all systems. So these are the kind of office and schools we have created, sir. And total 5 lakh, 50 lakh plus classrooms we have built globally, sir. Now, this question is for the principals, the IT admins and teachers, the directors. Running a school is not an easy task. Everyone will support me in that, right? Okay. So, the principals, the teachers, the students all have different difficulties to know more about the things. So we have created a specific software to cater all these challenges. Like principal and management, they want to use a technology balance, automation of the process, reduce of overheads, and admission and fees management. We have created all the modules for them. The educator challenges, what they face, student engagement, lack of LMS, lot of paperwork. So we have created a system to streamline all this process. And after that, the administrations and operational issues. So integration of technology. Someone has this GPS, someone has this Tally, but all these things are not getting provided. So we have provided the integrations as well. Now, so total this ecosystem is the services and all the softwares. So let me go through all the products in one liner. We have this direct view LED displays. We have these interactive flat panels. We have these monitors. We have this touch pen displays. It comes from 5 inches to 24 inches. We have monitors, touch monitors, My View board, the view nations for the editable files, the EdSync for the ERP system, the ClassSwift for the exam management tool, the T-Wall for the collaboration. All the students can work at one place. And this is our total schools ecosystem. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.